Oh yeah, it's unboxing time. I have cut the tape. And let's see what we got. Oh man. Oh, these are gorgeous boxes. Whoa. Silver Anniversary Limited Edition. 25 years of awesomeness. Okay. Off you come. What a gorgeous box. You can do this one-handed. Oh, nope. Gonna have to cut that. Pause. Okay. Oh, yes. Wow. What a cool box. Sweet. Very, very cool. Very cool. Oh, that's a great touch. Look at that. Number 16. Very, very cool. Very, very cool. And here's the board in which they will live. Instructions. This is really nice high density foam too. So the box is a collector's box. And if you clearly you're probably not going to put your pedal back in this box, but what a great box to have to store like cables or picks or little knickknacks and whatever. Very nice. Very, very nice. Very nice. Yeah, so like it's going to be more of the same. And yeah, so I'm going to get all of these out and then we'll look at what they look like in the board. Here we go. All right. All done. Look at this. Grape phaser number 11. Filter twin number 8. Aggro number 5. Optimizer number 16 out of 250, 100, 100, and 100. That is pretty rad looking in that pedal board. Oh yes, that's amazing. Oh yeah. It looks awesome. I am so stoked. Very, very stoked to have the silver anniversary pedals in there. They look super sleek. I'm actually thinking about doing something fun with the knobs or the buttons. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, this is really cool. That is just so freaking rad. Anyway, Aguilar is awesome, and you can see I like TC Electronic too. And then we got our Plus sustain pedal over here by Game Changer Audio. So yeah, there's the board. All done. And George L cables, of course, my friends at George L, Kimberly, Sandy, the boys. Oh yeah, digging it. Digging it. Alright, thanks for watching everybody. Peace out.